Hmm. Hey everybody, welcome to the new episode of Sons of the Forest. Unfortunately, I'm recording this one again because I had a problem. I messed up some settings uh, in my OBS, and the over an hour recording uh, it was trash completely. I had to like delete everything. There was nothing that I could save, maybe the audio, but yeah. Well, anyways, I was thinking this is gonna be the second video from this game. I'm gonna start a couple games. I had this one on mind, then The Witcher, and maybe some other ones. But I was thinking I'm gonna start with this one. I think it's the best. So, well, let's start with this one. Okay, new game and normal. I think it's the best for me. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to. Okay, well, maybe I don't. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to start, and then. So I'm gonna see you guys in shortly. Okay, we are back. I also had to check if I'm recording because I would. That would be horrible. Yeah, I guess y'all have seen already this cutscene, because I'm definitely not one of the first people to record this game. Man, that looks pretty. Okay, what do we have here? Edward Puffton, age 63. Okay, who else do we have? Fisheye and Kelvin.
You're not gonna find anywhere alive down there.
I mean, that would be beautiful. Okay, Virginia and Barbara. 31 weeks. Okay, let's go. Fight demons. Sure we will. Smooth landing, in my opinion. Okay. Maybe wait there for a moment. Try not to. Yeah. See ya. Okay, but I think he's still fine. Never mind. Okay, now it's time for us. How are we gonna get down? Okay. Well, that was another smooth landing. Okay, and who are you?
Now, who invited you here?
Yeah, no. Ouch. Okay. Well, open emergency only. Well, I hope this is emergency. Okay, so yeah, here we are. Not gonna lie, I've seen this one already yesterday, and even before that, I've played this game for a bit. So nothing new for me. But I hope someone who's watching this, one of those two people. If you are a person who's watching this video, so you are one of two people who are ever gonna see this video. Because I really don't think that it's gonna reach bigger audience. Let's help this dude. Who are you? Calvin. Can you hear us, Calvin? Can you see us, Calvin? No, I don't think that he can hear us. See, maybe also. Okay. So, Calvin, the thing you can do for us is please build for us a shelter. That's what we need now. We need some shelter, and I'm gonna check the stuff that we have on the ground. So yeah, as I said before, I've played this so many times. I mean this game, but I never record anything before. I always wanted to, so I was thinking that's gonna be. Do you have a question, Calvin? Can I help you somehow? Tell me some. Okay, see ya. So yeah, I was thinking this game is gonna be the best for like it's my first let's play. I was thinking about Ark, but as you guys know, if you've seen my previous video, it's not it doesn't run like the best on my PC. I could turn down the uh, settings to low, but it's not gonna look nice. I tried it, and I can play with low settings, but well, I really don't think that's the best way to. I mean, it's not the best to see anything with that. Okay, let's get some. Oh yeah, first I forgot. Okay, I just got notification that my headphones are gone. The battery is running out, which is really annoying right now. Not gonna lie. Right when I started recording, but let's see. They should be still fine for at least this episode. Because if anyone is wondering, I'm using my headphones to record audio. Because I do not have enough money yet to buy myself proper microphone. I mean, some of them they're not expensive. I had I don't remember the name of the microphone I was checking not long time ago, but it's gonna take a while before I'm gonna buy it. I need to save some money, and then maybe let's get ourselves some delicious meat, and maybe let's build campfire. Where would there is? Oh my god, this is nice, ready place for us for our campfire. Okay. Okay. Now, yesterday when I was recording, I left this piece of meat here. I went to do something. I didn't get any more, and when I came back, it was already burned. So I have new chance to actually don't mess up this time. Okay, what can we get? I'm really come here. That was nice. But yeah, this game compared to Ark works amazing. Everything looks beautiful, and I'm on ultra settings, I think. And I think I don't have any like FPS meter or anything that I had before, but it was quite annoying to watch when it went under like 60, and then I started to wonder like why, what's happening, especially with Ark. Oh wait, did I? Oh no, I burned again. Okay, well, no, that's not what I wanted. Okay, uh, yeah, let's get this one cooked, and I was thinking. Oh, I didn't check this one yet. Okay, we have to find Team B and the Buffton family. Okay, first let's maybe learn the basics of with our map here. Okay, I think yeah, this is very basic. Also, I'm gonna add that I have no like uh, um no training in survival. I mean, the only training I had was with Bear Grill. I hope that really destroyed. Yeah, I hope that I correctly pronounce his name. Um, I might make some mistakes here and there because English is my not first language, as you can probably hear from my accent. So yeah, okay, yeah, we have some food, our burnt meat and cooked meat. Oh, we have emery, I think. And what else do we have? Flares, fireweed. What? Fireweed. Okay, interesting. Some stones, rocks, sticks, rabbits, and other stuff. Okay. So I was thinking that first we go for small exploration. I was thinking we can check is this um, what is this violet thing there with the what is the name of this one? Okay, that's gonna be embarrassing. Never mind. We go there, 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 and there. Hi, Kelvin. You should stay here and maintain base. Thank you. Uh, yeah. Oh, still can't hear, huh? Maybe first let's save because I'm afraid that something will happen. Something will happen like the last time. I mean, the whole episode, like everything was fine. Yeah, let's create new save. Call it. Oh, not Sapphire. Sapphire. Yeah. Okay, let's go explore. So yeah, as I was saying, the last episode, everything went smooth and it actually went nice. Ooh, that's cave. Okay, let's get some stuff and let's go inside. So yeah, okay, that's creepy. Yeah, everything yesterday went fine. I recorded the video. It was actually kind of funny. A couple thing. I mean, some. Oh my god, unexpected things happen. Like some things jumping right in front of my. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna spoil yet. But yeah, it was sad that I had to abandon this video. We checked this one point there, the orange one, and then this violet one, or whatever the name. I mean, whatever the color this one is. And then I came back here, and it was like I made really like long video, and then well, I wanted to check it out, and it was completely horrible. But yeah, let's go. Let's go in. Let's see what we can get from here. Or beautiful light coming from this weird lighter. I don't know why I was gonna say flashlight. That's not flashlight. Okay, let's get stuff. We got some raw meat. I will assume that it's from this dude. He I'm I'm not gonna try to guess what he was doing with it. Okay, what's that? Okay, another raw meat. I mean, thank you. Guess you guys don't need it anymore. Okay, let's go. Let's see what here we can get. I'm not gonna go down there to fight with the enemies. I think I'm not sure if are they there. Yeah, I think they are down there. I'm not yet prepared. We just crashed, and my health is really low. Actually, yeah, about the health maybe. Let's we have raw meat, burnt meat. Okay, let's eat some burnt meat. I know it's not gonna give us any life, but should we? Okay, I'm gonna eat some cooked meat also. Okay, that was really low. Okay, let's take some meds. Yeah, should give us everything. Okay, that's it for now. I'm not gonna go down there. I can leave it for maybe next episode. When we are ready, when we have a little bit better stuff. Ooh, ew, that's a spider. Hi. Can I? Ew. I thought he was. I didn't know we can actually like interact with. Uh, Ew, there is more. Oh, he's following me. Bye. Okay. But yeah, let's go. Wait, we don't need this one. We need that one. Okay, let's go towards the orange spot first. This forest looks amazing. I remember when I was younger, when the first when first forest came out, the forest, I think, and I wanted to play it really badly, but the only raccoon, but the only PC that I had at the time was my my like family really old PC. It barely could handle Google search. But yeah, I really wanted to play the game, so I bought it, and I got disappointed. I mean, I could play it on really low settings, which was pretty annoying, but I was happy that I could even run it. But it was also really laggy. And then many years later, I built myself my own PC, and here we are playing. Oh, yeah, a go-kart. Okay, maybe I should stop playing surprised all the time. Like, ew, spiderweb. Yeah, I literally went exactly the same yesterday. I mean, the same way, and I did everything the same. So it's gonna be annoying. But yeah, here is another cave. I think it, mm, I think it goes. I mean, I think this is the end of some other cave. We tried to go there yesterday. I mean, I tried to go yesterday. Nobody seen that header video yet. I mean, yet probably never will. But yeah, we can't. I mean, we probably can get there if I'm gonna somehow try to jump. Wait, did it work like that in the old forest? That you could. Uh, I remember there was a lot of glitches that you could do like that. I don't remember exactly. Yeah. Well, can we get some raw meat from you? Me help you? Maybe. Okay, no. But yeah, what I was saying, yeah, in the old forest there was a lot of glitches and bugs like this in the old days when it was still early access. I remember, well, I could not play much on my old PC, as I said before. What the hell? But I've seen all of them on YouTube, and I assume most of you also did. Okay, let's get through this. Okay, here we are. Exit by using G. Oh, no, we don't need that. Okay, what do we have here? Hi, guys. You can guys stop the video and read this if you want. I already read that. Yeah, I read that yesterday, so I don't want to read it again. Let me open this somehow. It would be so nice if we can just open it and they have some like tools that we can use. I don't know if I want to go there. I think this is somehow connected. I mean, this is the entrance, and there is this cave that we went in. This is the way back, the way out from here. So yeah, as I said before, I'm not ready yet to explore. Some dude was waiting there for us. Let's get in, and I'm gonna go back. Yeah, there is quite a way to drive there, so I'm gonna go back when we are there, or if something interesting happens. Okay. So this is not a very good submarine. Good to know. I completely forgot about that, even though this exactly same thing happened yesterday when I was recording. I'm so sad about this footage. Like, I tried my best. I was recording for so long. Like, I mean, okay, maybe now it doesn't. Are we stuck again? No. Oh, okay, no. Okay, let's go this way, actually. I think that's. Oh my god. Yeah. That's okay. Now we're out. Uh, can we go through here? Yeah, thank you. So, we still have a little bit to go. And this was the only interesting thing. It's probably super frustrating to see me doing this. But yeah, it's really sad that I can't release the footage that happened yesterday. This was really funny. It was like original experience. I mean, okay, maybe it was funny for me. Maybe it's not gonna be for anyone else, but okay. We are almost here anyway, so I'm not gonna. Oh my! God, I got so scared. And the way that the PC also glitched a little bit. Okay, now. Did I? No, no. Oh, well. Hey, no! Our go-kart tried to leave us. Is this like the name of this? Ow. I just bit myself. Is the name of this vehicle go-kart? I think it is. Well, but I'm not expert in English, so sorry for that. Let's get some berries. I hope those are the good berries. I think they are. What did I break? Let's get as many things as we can. Okay, here is, what do we have here? Rope, I will take it. Oh, some kind of energy bars. And something. Oh. Hello. There is someone laying there. Let's go say hello. Let's do some off-road. Okay. Here we are. Can I, then that was weird. Can we get that now? Yeah, we can. Okay, who are you? What's your name? You are one of the teammates. Okay. Can I get from you? Flashlight. Okay, let's hide it and not waste the batteries. Okay, do you have anything else for me? I would assume that this is fresh meat. No, then. What else do we have on the map? Well, I think we could come back. Yeah, there is the cave. Another one. I would like to do it when you have better stuff. I know there is, in this way, there is some kind of camp. Yeah, I thought it was this one. It has some kind of like red smoke coming from it. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go there. I think we can get better axe from there. I think that was the place that I got it yesterday. Well, let's go off-road. I mean, I know it didn't end up good for us yesterday, but oh yeah, and I think we can get cooking pot from there. Yuppie. Oh yeah. Here we are. I hope they are never gonna add like that this can break. Oh no, there is nighttime coming. Okay, maybe I will turn this off. Oh, I took it. Okay. Wait, I wanna sleep first before we explore anything. Butterfly and weird noises. Hi, can I help you? I don't think I can. We have a butterfly. Okay. Oh yeah, you have the butterfly. No. Okay, bye butterfly. So we got better axe from him. This one. What's that? Good to know. Okay. Okay, he flew. I want this one. Thank you. Yeah, so we made to this camp yesterday. I mean, I made. And yeah, and then I saved the game. I came back to the base and oh yeah, and we get the pot. Yeah, and I came back to the base and I finished the video. And then I checked it out. But it took me way longer time than it did right now. I was talking more, so I think it's I think it actually it's better that it happened this way. Okay. But yeah, this video is gonna be shorter, I think, than I need to check for how long I've been recording. $33 minutes. Okay, I will probably cut some parts out, so it will take so it might take like maybe 20 minutes episode. That's fine. For like second episode. So I think, oh, can I take this? Or can I destroy this? I don't know what's the name of these in English, but it would be nice if you could get these. I would make some like nice interior, like nice base, and then I could use this as bench or table. Well, who knows, maybe in the future. Oh, hello. Okay, we can't get. What was that? Eh, Virginia. Hi, girl. Come here. Okay, but who are you fighting? Hello? Who? Where? Where? Oh, here. What the hell? Okay, I don't want to fight with you yet. Oh my god, you are ugly. Stop. Don't attack me. I don't want to fight you yet. Stop. Don't. Okay, let's quickly make spear. What do we need? This and that. Okay, let's make spear so we can fight these. Then I also want to make bow. Wait, is this the way that I can craft a bow? Okay. Yes. But I think oh yeah, I don't have any feathers. Okay, that's winter resin. That's nice. Radio, vodka bottle, ammo. From where the hell did we get ammo? Watch. Okay. Well, I can use my spear if they come to attack us. Well, I think this is the best place to finish the video right now. I think in the next one we will go to check there. In this there in like towards north. No, wait, there is north. Well, whatever this is, this point on the sea. Can I zoom out now? And then we will also check out other camps, get some better gear, prepare more, and we can go. Oh yeah, cave. Yeah, that took a pretty long while. I've been trying to one of these. That's so like okay. Yeah, I don't have any energy. Oh my god, I'm thirsty. Didn't even realize. Okay, I'm gonna drink some energy drink. Are we also hungry? Yeah, we're also hungry. I should cook these before. Well, okay, but that's gonna happen in the next episode. So, thanks everyone for watching and spending your important and important time with me and watching these videos. You can also check my shorts, TikTok, and him. Yeah, but thank you once again, and see you in the next episode. Bye.